Hello guys, good day everyone. This is Coach Glory, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Meta AI. Now for those of you that don't have it, I don't think you can use it on business WhatsApp, but you can use it on your normal WhatsApp Messenger. So if you have WhatsApp Messenger and you can't see this icon right here, if you can't see it, go and update your WhatsApp. Yes, once you update your WhatsApp, this icon is going to pop in. Okay, so what do you do for us to use Meta AI? I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on to ask questions to get information and how to use it on groups, in a group literally. Okay, so what you do is click on this icon, and when you come here, this is the first thing you're going to see. You see where they say ask Meta AI anything. Now you need to understand that with Meta AI you can literally ask any question, do anything, ask Meta anything, and I say anything. You can even speak Igbo, you can speak Hausa, you can speak Pidgin English, you can ask it for anything. For those of you in school, you can use it for your projects or anything, right? Or even your assignment. So let me ask Meta AI. Let me just say hello Meta. Hello, I am Meta. AI friendly your assistant. I'm here to help you with any question or task you have. So let's just go straight to the point. Let's say you want to ask Meta AI for my KDP people. Now, this is for my KDP people. You want to create a book. Let's say we want to create a book on how to cook jollof rice or how to make Nigerian jollof, right? So we were going to ask Meta AI first of all, can you write a book on how to cook Nigerian jollof, right? Can you write a book on how to cook Nigerian jollof? Here is a book on how to cook Nigerian jollof. They've given you title, The Ultimate Guide to Nigerian Jollof Rice. You can adjust, you can do, this is, they've given you ingredients you use, how to prepare it. Conclusion, do you get? So if you can ask Meta AI anything, and they're literally going to give you answers to it. Okay, they're going to give you answers to it. So let's say you want to now write a full book on how to do something. Okay, so let's say you want to write a book on how to stay with a cheating man, right? How to stay with a cheating man. So we need it to get us a table of content, right? The first thing we need to do is to get a table of content. So let's ask Meta AI. I want to write a book on how to stay with a cheating man. Kindly write me a table of content for the book. Okay, so here is a table of content. It has given us a table of content, and for you to create your book we are going to be using this guideline, right? And trust Meta AI to help you do all the work. All you have to do is prompt it. Okay, all you have to do is prompt it correctly to give you. It's not because you now come here and say, yeah, part 1, part 2, write part 1, write part 2. No, you don't do that. You will use this table of content to ask your next question. So first of all, we want to write introduction of the book, right? We want to start by writing the introduction of the book. Okay, start by writing the book introduction. Now, this is something I always do whenever I want to ask Meta AI a question. I don't say, write me, do this. No, I interact as if I'm talking to a human being. Because in as much as Meta is not a human, but they gave it a little sense of human touch. Do you get me? So it has given us an introduction to our page. All you have to do is click here, and copy, paste it to wherever you want to paste it, in your docs file or not. Then remember to crop out this place, like delete here. Here is potential introduction for the book. Remove it. Come here. Let's begin this journey together. Okay, you can leave this one. Throughout these pages, make sure you read through to be sure is what they are giving you is what you want. Just read through it. Okay, then chapter 1. Let's say I want to get enough content for this. I want to get enough content for this book. All I have to do is, okay, let's start with part 1. I think they said part 1, not chapter. So in your book, you can change it to chapter or parts, depending on how you want to do it. Let's start with part 1. Let's start with part 1. I'm just using their word so we don't mix it up. Let's start with part 1. Note, I want a 10,000. I want it to be up to 10,000 words. So be elaborate in your explanation. This might not be your words. But this is what I want. Okay. So it's going to start now. Now, part 1. Understanding the situation. Why do men cheat? That's part 1. So they are telling me now that approximately 1,500 words is what part 1 is going to give me. That's because I told them that the whole book should be around 10,000 words, and they are telling me part 1 is going to be 15 words, right? And now I don't like this whole 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and all these things, the way they did it, and I'll tell them to redo it. Rewrite this chapter and don't include numbers. Do an explanation. This chapter should be at least, let me increase it, 3,000 words. So I don't like the way they explain it, but I want them to do something. Understanding why men cheat. You see, infidelity is a complex and malfunction, blah blah blah. Now they've explained it to me. Then they've entered chapter 2, recognizing the signs of cheating. Now, if I don't like what they did here, let's say I've gotten my chapter 1 and I wasn't okay, I'll come here and say continue from chapter 1. Now you have to copy here, paste in your docs. Then you remember we are continuing from chapter 1. So when you're done, you copy from here and go to your chapter 1 in your docs and paste it, because we are continuing from chapter 1. And note something, he said at the end of chapter 1, it says understanding why men cheat can be difficult and painful process, but is a crucial step. Now where they continue, they said understanding why men cheat is crucial, but it's important to ignore. So if you come to your docs, it's common sense to remove that last part and include this one, because it's a continuation. So they are bringing almost the same word to this place. Now this is a continuation of chapter 1. Okay, so now at the bottom you see what they said. By understanding these underlying factors, you can begin to address the root cause of infidelity and work towards healing and rebuilding your relationship. They said, let me know if you would like me to continue with the next chapter. Do you get? Because now they are done giving you information you need for this chapter. Sometimes they'll tell you, let me know if you want me to continue with this chapter, with chapter 1. You tell them continue if you feel you've gotten enough content, or you tell them to go to chapter 2. So, okay, continue with chapter 2. So they continue with our chapter 2, the one we were working on previously before now, right? So now, recognizing the signs of cheating, changes in behavior, physical. Let me know if you'd like to continue with the next chapter. I don't want next chapter, I want more content. Continue with chapter 2. I want them to give me more content on this chapter. Do you get? If they don't have, they will tell you. Other signs of cheating include changes, types of cheating, confronting your partner. Let me know if you like me to continue to the next chapter. So if you feel you've gotten enough content, feel free to tell it, okay, I've gotten enough content, go to the next chapter or whatnot. So this is how you keep doing till you get your final documents, right? If you don't like the whole listing, you see what I did here when they were listing it. I told them I don't want you guys listing it for me. Do an explanation. Nobody wants to come and be reading a book and be seeing you writing 1.1, 1.2, listing it like some, do you get? Remember, AI is there to help you write your book, not completely write the book for you. Not completely write the book for you. Understand? So make sure you go through it. Make sure you go through it. Okay, do all your introduction. I just have to give a glimpse on how you can use it, and it's just simple. Okay, so remember, you can ask Meta AI anything. And the part where I said Meta can speak Igbo, Meta can speak Pidgin. Let's try that. So in Pidgin, let me say in Pidgin, explain what marriage is. So let's see if they are going to speak Pidgin. I want to use this to end my video. So you see them, marriage be like one special kind of love where two people share, where them decide to stay together forever through good times and bad times. Them promise to love, care and support each other, like how two wings of one bird they hold together. Marriage be like one big commitment where them agree. You see? Okay. Say it in Igbo. Say it in Igbo. Let's see if they can speak Igbo. Hey, I cannot speak this one. Alumdi n'ụzọ omenala mmadụ. They don't speak Igbo. Okay, they were trying to do it and all of a sudden they said they can't speak Igbo. Okay, I think Meta can, but ChatGPT can. Okay, so maybe in some cases, I think the thing was too much for it. So guys, so the next thing is how you can use Meta AI for in group, right? I'm trying so hard not to go to a group where I will need to show their numbers, but I'm going to cover all of it up. Okay, so let me go to one of my group. Here. I'm not supposed to go here, but let me go to another group that is not closed. Okay, at Meta AI. So explain what Amazon KDP is all about. So they said it's only group that is Meta AI is mentioned, probably where a group that is open, that group is closed for all. So you see them explaining what it is here. You see them explaining it. Yeah. So this is how you can use it on a group. So let me know if you understood everything I just said here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you want to get more information like this. Okay, don't forget to comment if you have any question, if there's anything else you want me to do, if you want me to do this kind of video or any kind of video related to this you want me to do let me know. See you guys on my next video.